Hello teacher and hello everyone. Welcome to my group presentation about the final report with the topic Report Technology Management for INDRUINO Company in TechProVN. So in the topic, we divide this four topics, four sessions. The first one, introduction. The next one, competitor in Vietnamese and international markets. The third one, self-built plan for products, and the last one, solution plan for related products. So we move to the first one, introduction. INDRUINO Technology Solutions Co Limited, founded by residents of the Ho Chi Minh City University of Technology and Education, and establishment of October 16, 2017. So we move to the next one about the vision, mission, core value of this company. The first one about the vision. Become the region and Vietnamese top provider of technology, goods, solution, and service based on the 4.0 digital revolution platform. So about the mission, self-research, develop and master core technology to deliver solution and modern equipment to the Vietnamese manufacturing industry in the future. And the last one is the core value. This company have four core values about the pioneering human resources system, and the last one ethics. So we move to the next one about the products and service of INDRUINO. INDRUINO includes industrial plus Arduino hardware and software are open sources. INDRUINO Technology Solution provides the following solution package, included the first one, hardware for industrial electronics, and the second one, Peso and Pesolite library based on the Arduino open source platform. So we move to the service step from INDRUINO to get the finished products. So we move to the INDRUINO Technology Solution Company Limited, included the first one, trim products, make block robots, and the next one, INDRUINO products for industrial. The next one, repair maintenance, automated guide vehicle, and the last one, design manufacturing electronics product production. So we move to the first one, benefits of INDRUINO. INDRUINO have four benefits, including noise filter, electromagnetic interference, isolation, and relay alarm. So this is the end of the part one. So we move to the part two. I invite Will the next question.
Well, thanks. Now we move to the chapter 2, that is the national and international competitors of INDRUINO. Now we have three companies have competitors with INDRUINO. The first one is EPCP IoT Services. The second one is MPLAB, and the third one is Sensor of Vietnam. Now we move to the first company, that is the e-commerce and production company limited, is a manufacturer of industrial sensor product, scanner, monitoring and control system, electronic system, and IoT automation. Now we move to the second company, that is MPLAB Company Limited. That is specialized in trading, manufacturing and distribution economic product, manufacture of electronic components, manufacture of motor, generator, electric transformers. And the third company, that is the Sensor Vietnam Company Limited, which is a distributor of sensor, controller, transmitter, supplying industrial equipment Europe, controlling and design of sensor and control system. Now, and we move to the next. That is the international competitors. We have three companies also. The first one is Griffins, SIT, and DMC. Now we move to the first company. That is the Griffins, which is the professional manufacturer water analysis instrument and sensor integrating development and production together. And the next company Now we move to the SIP technology company, which is a Chinese company. SIP is services the global developer commuting in 2008 by providing open technology and eagle manufacturing services. And the final, that is the famous company GMC. That is a Chinese company. Also, GMC is a high-tech international brand that integrated about the R&D, production and sale and of flow, temperature and pressure measurement. Now we move to the comparison product. Now I will invite you to presentation about the comparison product.
Now we move to the next session is about comparison products. We choose the products of INDRUINO with either PS sensor with RS485 interface to compare with the PS sensor DBS7 with the industrial PS mentor sensor models RTU RS485 and 0 to 2 volt analog voltage SPS 01B and GEC PS485 digital sensor. Next, here is a data comparison table of the products. The first is about the measuring temperature price of INDRUINO PS sensor from -20 to about 80 degrees Celsius, while the Griffins PS sensor is only from 0 to about 50. The studio sensor is from -40 to about 80, and final GMC is from 0 to about 60. Next is accurate temperature measurements of INDRUINO sensor and State Studio sensor. Apple plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius, while GMC is only plus or minus 0.3. The next one is the measure pH range. On sensor can measure from 0 to about 14 VS. Next is the measure pH accuracy of Griffins and GMC is plus or minus 0.02 PS, while that of INDRUINO is plus or minus 0.01 PS and State Studio is 0.1. Next, the power supply of INDRUINO sensor and GMC sensor is from 12 to 24 volts and State Studio sensor is from 3.9 to 30 volts. The outputs of INDRUINO sensor include DC 0 to 5 volt or 0 to 10 volt or 4 to 20 milliampere or Modbus RTU 485, while State Studio and GMC is 4 to 20 milliampere or Modbus RTU 485, and Griffins only one output in Modbus RTU 485. The operating environments of four sensors is in order from -20 to about 80 degrees Celsius, from 0 to about 50, from -40 to about 85, and from 0 to about 60. The last is the dimension. The INDRUINO sensor is 65 multiply 46 multiply 28.5 cubic millimeter. The Griffins sensor is 260 multiply 35 millimeter. State Studio is 160 multiply 30 millimeter, and GMC is 118 multiply 40 millimeter. We move to the next content.
Okay, thanks, Jung. Let's introduce product that we design for INDRUINO. And next, we will plan to sell BA sensor with RS485 interface in 2023. The BA sensor uses RS485 hours and support Modbus for BA measurement. Besides that, it can rely network integration and system without a controller. About the product application, this sort of electroplate food processing, wastewater treatment, and environment protection. And next, we analyze the target market, and we see the target audience of the product is company interested in automated industrial process monitoring, water treatment monitoring, and load controls, especially company in aquaculture, textile, paper industries, and waste monitoring. Therefore, in this year, we report company in the southeast and southwest region of Vietnam. Next, we analyze the SWOT strategies. First is about the trends of products. Products with high performance and durability with high accuracy, fast response, good repairability, anti-corrosion, and automatic temperature compensation, and cell research and development product low power consumption integrates with many functions, and with their hours have making it easy to connect and integrate with other devices. And besides that, INDRUINO have professional support the service from consulting to finished product, responding to the requirement of economic integration following the trends of IoT and 4.0. And about the weakness, the product price is not very competitive with other competitors. Distribution and marketing networks are not strong enough. And thirdly is about the opportunity programmatically on family INDRUINO environment. We can inherit the power of many available libraries developed by the community. And company are listed in providing technologies, products, solutions, and service based on the 4.0 digital revolution platform. And finally, about the threats facing right competition with many competitors in the same industries. And next, the sales plan. We have five stages. First, the order. We will forecast demand, calculate the quantity of goods needed to produce, and then set up orders. And next is we sell methods. Sell at the company headquarters and online at the website. Besides that, it also supports sales such as design, manufacture, and version upgrade service based on the customer requirements. And next is about the right policy. We need to code for right depend on the interest of application and service that the company provides. And next is promotion policy. Organize with state program when ordering a large number of products. And about the marketing strategies, we want to promote the product and its application on video so that customers can see the greatest benefit when choosing products. Participate and organize technology exhibition seminar to have more opportunity to introduce product flows to the company target customers. Next content will continue.
Thank you, Mai. Now we move the replicate product. The current situation in the market. Counterfeit products from the rival company are gradually affecting our INDRUINO company product. So to prevent counterfeit products from the rival company, we are sales partner of INDRUINO company TechProVN had the following solution and had some detailed plan to prevent counterfeit products from the rival company. Next slide, please. So according to our research, in the market have two types of label commonly used to combat counterfeiting are the QR code smart check, electronic authentication labels, and Ministry of the Public Security label. Next slide, please. Now we move the solution. The first is the create anti-counterfeiting label for each product in INDRUINO company. The coordinating with the Avery Dennison Vietnam Corporation, which is the one of the leading corporation in Vietnam in the field of packaging printing with thermal label printing technology with the QR code. On anti-counterfeiting sticker is expected to have the INDRUINO company fight against the counterfeiting product from the rival company, the distributed through the reputation distributor to market. The customer often choose the product from the reputable supplier in the market. So, when distributing product directly, when manufacturing company to reputable supplier in the market with the warranty policy and reasonable price. And that is the end my group presentation. Thank you for listening.